Alright. Alright. A little bit sick today, and I know that it's going downhill from here, so... Quick stream, okay? Quick stream. We're trying to resolve one thing today. One thing. And the thing that we're trying to resolve is this. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to do, just to explain a bit what the issue here is the fact that we're looping through a dictionary where we do dot values and shit. And this seems to kind of lost or lose some things. At least, somewhere, this is not getting processed, even though the CS is getting created. The change set is getting created. So we've got this issue when in multicore, this is getting created, but it's never getting executed. So I'm blaming this. Let's create the system that will be the backbone to what we're going to use in the future anyway. So, what we need is a couple of things. We're going to need a while loop, but before that, I want to use queues, but not any type of queues. I want to use simple queues. Alright. Yep, I read the wiki. Okay. So I guess I could just import simple queue. Or no, it's part of queue, right? So I'll need to import this. Alright. Is this a thing that I can do? Oh, it's written with a capital. Oh, okay. It exists. Alright. That's fair. So here I should be able to load this, right? Or... No, I'm kind of retarded, right? I can do this, import this, import this. That's a better writing, right? Yeah, it is. Alright. Let's get a simple queue going. It's up here. I think. Okay, good. Simple queue. Okay. So we're creating our simple queue. How do we call it? I guess CSQ. Oh, shit. CSQ. And when we create it, do we want to do CS.values? Actually, no, we don't want values. We only want the keys. Because then afterward, we can get the values from GP. So here we should do this dot... oh, keys is an option. Return a set-like object providing a view on the dict key. Cool. Exactly what I need. Alright. So here we'll have all the keys in CSQ. So now what we can do is we can do while CSQ dot empty. And here, let's not forget not. Okay. So while CSQ is not empty, we're going to do something like CS execute. But here, we need to get a thing. So let's call it current CS. We do equal cs underscore q dot get. So here we're going to get an element from our queue. It's going to be called current cs. Then we can do yes, that's a fair way to do it. Okay. Let me just do this correctly. Then we can do this. Current CS should have the key for this. So we could do .execute. But here, we need to capture the output of this, right? Because if it returns true, we shove it back in. Sorry, if it returns true, we do a thing. If it doesn't, we do another thing. So here, sorry, I'm not verbalizing. My brain is not there. Okay, execute when we go see change set. Execute either returns true or false if it fails. Now there's no option for false, so who cares? So here, what we can do, when we get a thing from a queue, it removes it from the queue, so we only need to check for the false instance. So this tells us if it returns false, then we should do cs.q dot, and I think it's put. I'm going to sneeze. God damn. God damn. Ugh, that hurts. Sorry for your ears. Alright. So dot put is what we want. In here we can just put this. So this should ensure that we go through all of our queue, which should contain every element inside of GP. All of this without just using a dumb for loop over this, right? Should be a bit more secure than this. Because for loops just don't fucking work. Just don't work with big things like that for some reason. So, let's run it. Did it send? Yes, it did. Okay. Simple coup takes no positional arguments. Okay. Put dict in, put set in simple queue. Python. I'm confused. Hmm. I guess if I say list, somebody will understand me. Maybe? If the answer is use map, I'll fucking kill myself. Why is it that complicated today? Alright, that's shit. Okay. So my solution is yet another for loop. Bro. This is not good. Hello, Cardian. How's it going? Happy to hear it. Won't be a long stream. I'm just trying to get this to work. And if it does, then I'll be happy. Starting getting sick. My daughter has been getting demolished for some time, so now it's my turn. Life is not too hard on your side of the continent, I guess. If we consider ourselves on the same one. Base, just don't get sick, bro. It's not rocket science. There's some things in life that I've gave up. And like germs from my daughter, I have fully gave up. Fully, okay? I don't know if I said the story that happened lately, but my daughter has a lot of fun making salads with me because I bought some romaine lettuce, and that's some good romaine lettuce, okay? I bought the Mexico one because fuck USA. But anyway, so I caught the romaine salad, right? I put it in a bowl, put some dressing on it, and then I tell my daughter to go ahead, mix, right? Go mix the fucking salad with the dressing, and with the croutons. So she mixes it, and then she's like, "Ooh, If Dad wants to eat this, it must be because it's good to the taste. Let's try. She takes one piece of salad, tastes it. She doesn't like it, put it back in, and now I'm like, okay. You look like you're starting to be sick. I'll get sick for sure. I'm fucked. I'm just fucked. And I accepted it, okay? I fully, at this moment, I was like, alright, that's fair. Yeah, kids bring home all kind of micro creatures and macro too. Yeah, I'll deal with the macros, but the micro... Oh boy, those are hard. God damn. My shit is not fixed. We're still having issues. Ooh. Fuck. What the fuck's wrong with you? Alright. For some reason, this does not work. I don't get it. Let me fucking look at something intensely as if it's going to change anything. Wait, I'm so confused. Why was it that short for the first one and that long for the other? This makes no sense. But it works. Alright, fuck me. At least her interacting with you is good for her. It is. I'm trying to do more of that. But it is hard. Because at 2, like, they're not lying when they say the terrible 2. They're not lying. God damn. Like, starting to have an actual opinion is a strong word, but being a fucking human, okay, that's what I mean. She's starting to be a human, and god damn, it's hard. Is it because we're not storing current path? No, or else I would never find it, right? Like here. Yeah, so current path is alright. Get her into Formula 1. Based. No. I'm already getting her into politics, okay? She'll know way the fuck too much. Ooh, maybe it's this implementation that is fucked. Where is... change set. Okay, current path. Current path equals current path. Based. Okay. Season just started. I don't look at that. Like, I'm sure it's entertaining, but goddamn. My brain's already getting melted from all the bullshit that I listen to on a daily basis. Why am I doubting this? Current path obviously fucking works, or else it wouldn't display here. So the problem is not here. God, I'm such a fucking hoe. I love McDonald. Okay. Change the dict. Here in Brazil, after soccer, Formula 1 is ultra popular. That makes sense with what I know. That makes sense. Like I'm still Canadian, eh? So I'm going to watch some hockey from time to time. Although I'm not the biggest cheerleader for this shit. Oh, hockey. By far. Like, it's probably your equivalent for soccer. Because I know that you guys are soccer lovers. Big time. And that's okay. We love our soccer guys. We love him. Although, over here, soccer doesn't have the same, let's say, importance. Alright, Buckaroo. Let's fucking go. Get on printing, bitch. Crash, you little shit. I dare you. At day, Maple answers calls. At night, he insults its own creations. I'm Maple Man. Alright. Bro, just work. Lol. Thank you, okay? Thank you for the support. I needed it. The fact that 3.1 does not produce Arch kills kills me, okay? And why does it take so much time? What the fuck? The first one goes like... The second one is slow as shit. Oh, I'm retarded is because we're doing a bunch of SQL calls. And it has to actually search. Alright. Got it, got it. I'm the retard. That's good. Yeah, like, the first one, it looks blazing fast, but it's because technically, like, our SQL calls are instant because the SQL knows that there's only, like, one choice in the DB. But here, fuck you, it's not true. So I guess I was right. Okay, I was right. This shit ain't optimized. Can we fucking go faster, please? I want to know if I'm a loser or if I'm a winner. I don't know why it wouldn't be here. Because when I print this, it is there. But... like, I did print this, right? For fuck's sake, I don't remember. I'm sure I printed this. Probably this... yeah, when I wrote this, it was because I printed it. And it wasn't there, and I was like, what the fuck? Ah, yes. Oh wait, maybe? Ooh, maybe I'm fucking dumb. I think I know. I know. I'm a dumbass. Okay. Oh no, I don't know. God damn. That's a fail store. Yeah, it fails to store because it assumes that an item already exists in the DB. But it doesn't exist for some reason, even though it exists here. So this literally means that the item gets put in the queue and it gets executed. So why doesn't it end up working? I guess we can go check this result and see what makes sense and what doesn't. So let's go compare this. With our other little shit. Okay, let's outline all of this correctly. Did I put them out of order? Yes, I did. Okay. Let me put them in order so that I don't blow my brain out. Hello, Rust. Yeah, it is your fav emote. And I like it too. Okay, I like it too. Alright. Okay, so this is the CS array. I'm kind of questioning myself right now. Why is the CS array longer? Okay, let's read the encodings, okay? So first, it's the table that we set it to. So that's fair. One is for file name, I believe. So here this is a set command, here this is a get command. So here, of course, it doesn't exist yet, so that's why we have this shit. And here, it already exists, so that's why we can point it to this. Second one. 3. I have no fucking clue what 3 is, but from watching this, I would guess that it is the bridge file. We can check. So 0, 1, 2, 3, bridge file. Alright. Where the fuck was I? Oh, I was here. Okay. So, bridge file. You know what? Let's start by unscrewing all of this first. Okay, this looks like it. Holy reference. Holy shift! Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's read this one, just to be sure. So first, file name. Second, that's the file itself. So that's our file. Third, bridge file, which is this is a reference to this, and this is a reference to this. Easy. Okay. And it's a reference to their IDs, that's why here it's written 0. At both places. And false is because it's not an old version. Mine would be RAM. It's so cute. It is so freaking cute. I would like us to be able to, like, put it here. That would be very cool. But I don't think it's possible. Okay, so first, we put the file name. That's fair. Second, we put the old bridge file. So that makes sense because we're... Does it? It's a get instruction. Okay, so we put the old version, which is 1. Then we follow it up by the no, here. This is the file name, ID, then the file ID. So here we have the old bridge file. Okay, that's fair. Okay, then we have the file. This is the old file that we update. So we update this old file. This is what 2 is for. Is for update. Old file. We set its last version to 1. We say that it was removed by modifying it. Well, that it expired by modifying it. Then we create our new file. So none because we don't have the value yet. 2, it's the version that we start. 0, we don't know the version where it's going to be next. 1, what the fuck is 1 here? That's the type of file. M is how it was brought into being, which is modified. 0 is because we don't yet know what the fuck to put there. Okay, and 3, the bridge file, which should be a reference. Wait. Okay, version, file name ID. Oh, it's because they can be resolved instantly. Okay, I get it now. And then we have this fucking monstrosity, which is a reference to number 2, the ID, and it needs to be a non-false version. All of this is correct. What the fuck? Guardian, what about the YouTube emote though? I don't get it. Box. Alright. So both of those construct are good. Okay, when are we actually printing it? At what step are we doing this? Maybe the item, when it goes from single core to multi-core, it fucks something up. Is there some magical class in there that I should know about? No. Fuck's sake. Okay. Let's try this now. Please, for the love of God, work. I don't fucking know what to do next. God damn. Probably dot execute that is fucked. What does cloning into meant at the beginning of your script? That's Git. So we're essentially creating a whole version, while copying a whole version, so like the Linux kernel 3.0, into this directory, and then this is the version that we're fucking with. That's what the cloning means. Yes. So we have a local Git, and we use it to create different versions. Is kernel info in a public repo? I kind of want to take a look at it. Yes, it is now. I think it is under the kernel info name. Alright, we'll have a good little read at this shit. Give me a second. Yes. Yes! It's called kernel info parser on Git. I'll update it at the same time that I'll rage quit, I guess. So if we go and take a look here. Okay. Ooh. Wait. Why are we having a resurgence of this shit? Aha. Aha. The old version stays. Ha ha ha. You fucking subhuman piece of shit. Kill yourself. Okay. Oh, rate limited by Microsoft. Based. Okay, I think I got it. So here, what I want to do is I want to do change list would need to be purged. Change set dict. So let's be real fucking violent with these two. All right. Okay, so this should just work trademark. Praise be Bill Gates. I'm not much of a Python guy, but I did a course a few years back. Well, I mean, it's pretty easy to get into. It's made for retards. That's me. That's us. True. No, now that I have this, like that I can just fucking git commit everything very easily. Having a git is fucking cool. Hope. Or, as one may say, cope. Because this shit needs to work. Or else, Glock in the mouth, we're all dead. They made GitHub unusable recently. Yo, basically get rate limited for trying to view one file. If it ever becomes a real problem, I guess I'll self-host. But for now, it seems to be working for me. But I don't use GitHub. Like, never. I never opened the website. I opened it to share it. I just use it as a way to fucking share and spread the love. Codeberg. What the fuck is Codeberg? Software development, but free! Codeberg is a non-profit, community-led effort that provides service to free and open source projects, such as Git hosting. Okay. I'm always wondering what's the point of all of these clones of the same thing, right? Isn't GitLab doing the same thing? And like, everyone is going to fucking be lit because GitLab is now magically shit? I'm confused. GitLab is the best, okay. Oh, okay. I coomed. You know what, guys? This was literally all I wanted to do today. So we're looking at the result in PHP, and I'm getting the fuck out. And to be very, very honest with you, oh fuck, it works. Okay, to be honest with you, probably tomorrow there's heightened chance that I won't be here. Because God, if I'm sick like that like day one, tomorrow will be fucked. But hey, I'll keep you updated, okay? I'll put an update in the Discord if ever I'm too dead for it. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, let's at least put this shit to Git so that Guardian can enjoy it. And let's remove the dumb fuckery. Dead as in deadlock? Nah, I'm too dead for deadlock. But I'll play Minecraft probably. I'll play Minecraft. I think I have somebody that I like a lot playing Minecraft, so I'll play Minecraft with them. Taking some time with the people that you love is always a good idea. You never know when they may get blown up by an IED or a fucking shy drone. That isn't that based. You know, whenever you want to think about progress and living your life to the fullest, you need to think about our great supreme leader, Kamene. Alright. I just butchered his name like never before. God damn! Alright. I did a Trump right there. Alright. Alright. We good. We named this shit. How do we add everything? Oh, it was already added. Alright, so... Giga update of death. Let's... How do we multi-line this shit? Bro. There's a way to multi-line this. Okay, we can do it that way. Good. Alright. Giga update of death. So that's the name of the thing. Now, what version are we actually? E84. Bingo! Okay. This update now divides the project into multiple module. We now have the ability to implement different DBs and different optimization for the internal table cache of the project. This is the first working. No. For now, the fuck capitals. For now, the parser isn't enabled as it doesn't have a fuck full implementation to work with the new modular system. Let's put a little art here. You write better commit message than my boss. I'm trying to get good at it. There's a lot of things in life that, if you just fucking try, it works. And I think that live streams and commits, they are it. God damn, those are massive fucking commits. Oh my god, I'm fucking cooking like 700 lines, 600 lines, fucking 1000 lines. Alright. This is fucking unhinged. This is not good, what the fuck? Why do I put that much time in this shit? Oh my. Alright. I need to go. I'll go do something else, alright? I love you guys. When I have figured out what changed, all I get is dot, and sometimes his first name. No fucking way. Small bug fix update. Yeah, that one is fucking AIDS. Why? Like, if you're to put a message that fucking weak, just don't. Just wait until you have something real before pushing it. I don't know. Like, believe in yourself and put the real notes. Anyway, I love you guys. Bye-bye, okay? We're seeing ourselves probably tomorrow, or at least I'll leave a message. Like I said, if I'm not okay, I'll leave a message. And yeah, we'll see each other soon. Take care. All right. See y'all. Love you.